Kakaiba yung dating niya eh, imbis na mask snorkel yung nakalagay sa bibig niya. Kumbaga mask yung character niya.
They're so big. Even though I haven't swim yet, I feel like I already did whenever I'm swimming beside them.
He wants to adventuring around the world through the experience of paddling.
And also doing other outdoor activities everywhere.
And for some reason, he wears a character mask.
May mask ba naman siya?
I see superheroes with a mask on.
Naka-mask po siya.
And when he gets asked about it, his answer is simple.
I need my mask whenever I'm swimming with tardigrades, COVID-19, or whale sharks.
Ang Donsol, when I first arrived here, walang kalsada, walang tulay. Ang means of transportation dito, it's either bangka or paglalakad lang.
Kumbaga itong Donsol na ito, sleeping town din ito dati. Kumbaga ngayon na discover na siya, na naging tourist spot na siya, kumbaga medyo umangat na yung kabuhayan dito sa amin.
So I came here at Donsol together with my friends, a vlogger, Mr. Dexter Apollo Rubio, and Mr. Geek Adventurer or Pinoy Geek Adventurer from California. And we have also one friend who was actually staying here at Bicol Province. But before we head over to diving, we actually had a little orientation from the tourism office about the do's and don'ts of diving with the whale sharks. So after that, we proceeded to the boat. Here at Donsol, you need to really look for the botandings because they're actually wild species. That's why you need to find them. So we have a spotter and we have our guide who's actually looking for those botandings.
Ako pa yung nagtitingan ng botanding kasi ako pa yung spotter.
Ako naman po yung paddleman. Ang gawa ko po pag ako po yung taga parang para nasa sentro lang po palagi bangka.
So, ang coordinate namin sa sa spotter kung saan yung direksyon ng whale shark o kanan ba o kaliwa doon.
Once they are actually near our boat, then that's the time that they will tell us to jump over and to go with the botanding so we can get a nice view of them. And they're very humongous. They're really huge mammals of the sea. And it mesmerizes my feeling when I saw them because I can only see janitor fish inside the tank, which really too small to see. And as a beginner free diver, it's really hard to follow them because they're too fast. Today we saw actually 3 botandings, and the last one was the biggest. It's really like the size of our boat. It's really too big to handle.
Kahit pa paano, binuksan yung tourism industry dito. Yung nakaraang taon nga, ang dami-dami ng whale shark. Ngayon din po, madami.
Experience ako ngayon kahit pandemya, may pumupunta pa rin sa aming mga guests.
Natutuwa ko kasi yung kakaiba yung dating niya eh. Imbis na mask snorkel yung nakalagay sa bibig niya, kumbaga mask yung pang cartoon character niya. Pinakabawal lang po talaga dito sa amin dating sa interaction yung hahawak po kayo sa butanding.
Hi, good afternoon. Mas pala si Junel Kadal.
Hello, my name is Alphalin Kate Dahush.
Pangalan ko ay si Tan Arjano Magdamit.
I'm Elmer Kiso.
Ako po si July Adra.
Ako po si Nonan Tisa. Ako po si Louie.
Kaya pag wala nakikita ang butanding, malungkot na, hindi pa na-exercise.
Masaya ako dun sa work na yun kasi nag-enjoy na, nakakapagpasaya ka pa ng tao.
Guys, pasakay na kami sa aming bangka para mapuntahan na.
At ako, scripted ang sinasabi ko sa mga guests, yun at yun pa rin. Parang hindi mo na isasala, yun pa yung sasabihin ko.
First question, okay.
Alright.
Dito yung mga butanding, hindi makahanap kami guys. Ate Kate, are you ready?
Yeah!
Ang hirap sumisip. Nakakapagod, habulin yung butanding.
Bibilis po nila, hindi namin po sila mahapon ng buong.
Ang alat nga. So yun, nakuha na namin siya. Galing. Nakakita kami butanding.
Wow!